Hi everybody, welcome back. I know I am late with the March monthly spreads and my first week of March layouts. However, I have just not been feeling well, and I wanted to be able to rest up and get my head right, and also I needed some inspiration. So we're going to start out by doing the March ERIN CONDREN monthly layout. And as you see, I already started writing something in here, and then I was like, oh, darn it. I should have put a little sticker in there, but nevertheless, we're going to be okay. So I think what I'd like to do is I pulled some of these books. Let me show you. I pulled this book, the Squad Goals book. I pulled the Spring book. I've got this Floral book, Stronger Together book. And then also I have this book, Farmhouse, and the Colorful Shapes. I don't know if I'm going to be using everything, but I'd like to get something down on this and get started. I did start pulling some stickers, so let's get started with that. The weather's been getting nicer and nicer. I mean, it is a little chilly out today, but it's really nice to see the sunshine and not so much rain. Let me see from this. I think I pulled this sticker from this book. Let's see if we can get a cluster of flowers down here. Or maybe even, is this notes? I think this notes might be, this might be too big. Yeah, it's too big. Maybe one of these little boxes. Maybe this box. We can put it down. Instead of cupcakes, I can cover it with these flowers. All right, you can even barely see that there's a cupcake back there. Let's cut this. And trim that. And there we go, that's cute. And then I have some washi tape also. I thought maybe putting a little bit of washi in between them. Huh. I think maybe this blue polka dot. Let's put that. You know how much I love that washi. So what has everybody been up to? Are we all glad that it's getting to be a little bit nicer weather outside? I'll stack another piece of washi on top of that. Give it a little bit of color. Let's see, maybe this hot pink. I think they stuck too many in this one container, because some containers don't feel as full, but that one does feel full. All right, that ties those two colors together. Oh, look at what I did. Ah, silly me. Okay, let's try this one more time. There we go. Okay. I shouldn't pull so hard. There we go. That looks cute. All right, and then this month, believe it or not, we don't have a whole lot of birthdays because normally my months are filled with birthdays. Let's go ahead and since this is spring forward, so we're setting the clocks an hour ahead of time. We'll go ahead and put that down here. Spring forward. Let's get this cute little flower there. All right. I saw this bicycle. I thought it was adorable and I wanted to incorporate it. And since this is the beginning of the following month, I thought maybe we could do something here with it. We'll have to find something else to go along there. And then this little guy says it's springtime. So let's go ahead and add that there. And we have a little 4-leaf clover for St. Patty's Day. Okay, and then let me see. I know I have bills to pay on this day, on the 22nd. So we will put that there. Let's see in this book what else we've got. These are cute. Those are very cute. You know what? I wonder if we could make this into a cluster right here. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so we need some boxes for the bills that I have to pay. Maybe I could try some of these. Okay, so I know on the 3rd, I have a couple of bills that I need to pay. So that'll go there. And then on the 12th, I didn't really want this color next to it, but let's do the 12th. I know I have something on that day. Okay. Let me just straighten that out a little bit. Okay, so we have a couple of things on the 3rd, on the 12th, on the 22nd. I know on the 29th also I do, but the 29th is just one thing. Let me see if I can find a small box for that. This book is so cute, the spring book. It's very cute. Let's see. Oh, here's some boxes. Okay, so I can put, how about this pink one? Yeah, let's do this pink one. We'll get some flowers or something to go along with it. I can do this, remember. Let's do these flowers. All right, and I'm trying to think if there is anything else that I need to pay. I have 2 here, 1 here, 2 here, and 1 here. And I think that's really it. Let's decorate the top a little bit. I want to put something over here. I wonder if this Choose Joy, because it's got all of the colors of everything. Let's see. Let's put Choose Joy over here. Let's white out this number. Choose Joy. And then, let's see, I like these flowers. Do they match? Not really. I'm looking to see what we can do. I like these cute little stickers with the sunglasses. Let's put those up here for the weekend. And I love this little bird. Maybe we can put the bird right there. What else, you guys? Let's see. Will this flower go? No. Oh, you know what? This flower can pull some of this orange, and we'll put that right there. Okay. I think I'm done. I think this is it. It's going to be very basic because I really don't have that much going on for right now that I know of in March. So it'll be a great time. I've been purging a lot in the house, and that's probably why I don't feel so good, probably from all the dust and, you know, just being exhausted from cleaning out closets and stuff. And it feels good once you finish it and stuff, but oh, it's so overwhelming sometimes. But anyway, so here is my monthly spread for my ERIN CONDREN. Very simple, but I think it's cute. So I hope you guys like it and find some inspiration, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.